everyone, welcome back to another Mukbang! Yes! It's Goldfish Mecca, people! Alright, I have got all, well not all, but these are the ones I could find, and also the ones I haven't tried. I've eaten many pretzel goldfish. I've eaten many baby goldfish. I've eaten none of the colored ones, but they're colored. But, and I did not get the princess one, which again, they're just pink. Okay, I've got original, Parmesan. I think original is just like gonna be a cracker. Parmesan, hello. I think this is cheese. I think this is pizza, sour cream and onion, and barbecue. And on the back of these packages, it says there are goldfish pucks. What? I should have gotten those. But they did not have them at my store. Okay, you guys. What should I... Original. What am I going to start with? Hello. Duh. Again, I think these are just going to be a soup cracker because that's exactly what they were originally marketed for. As being a soup cracker. Yep, smells just like cracker. I mean, there's no unique flavor, no scent. Ooh, girl. Where have these plain goldfish been all my life? Can I get a thumbs up or a thumbs down on the plain soup cracker goldfish? 3/4 turn to the left. They're good. I wish I had... Actually, I do have soup. I bought that salmon soup. I bought salmon chowder because I thought I was going to make a gamma trip. I didn't. Now I know where these are going to go. Into boiling hot soup. I'm in a kooky mood tonight. For sure. If you stand in the pouring grain, you're going to get all wheat. That's just what the goldfish said, people. Okay, Parmesan. Come try Parmesan. It's your favorite cheese. Okay, next one is Parmesan. I'm sorry my camera died. I don't know where I'm going to cut that. Oh, fuck no. No. No! No! No. Those are going to be yours. Do not like. Ah! I'm going to try another one just to... No. No. Yeah. Yeah. No. No thank you, Parmesan goldfish. Those are going to be his. Now we get into weird fucking flavors, okay? Cheese, barbecue, sour cream and onion, pizza. Come try this Parmesan. The siren call of the Parmesan. No, you have to let me know what you think. I'm gonna open the cheese. What do you mean it's nothing? I did not like it because I felt like it was way too Parmesan-y. No? What? So it just tasted exactly like the plain one? I don't think so. Cheese explosion. I'm in a yelling mood. Sorry about it. Ew, they're all covered in dust. Come try this one. It's very cheddary. Not as bad as the Parmesan. I'll leave those there for him to try. I can fuck with these. I'll probably eat these. I don't really like my fingers being covered in dust. That's kind of gross to me. But whatever. Which one should I try next? Here. I will just mix them up. I still know this is the barbecue one. So I need to be able to see, I still know this is the barbecue one. These ones I don't because they're both green. This is still barbecue. Okay, we're gonna try the barbecue one because I still know which one that is. Okay, alright. Let me cleanse my palate. Baby. Come try the extra cheese. The flavor blasted extra cheddar. Yeah. Why do you keep walking away with them though? Whoa, what the fuck is that? You gotta come try this barbecue one now. What do you think of those? You like those? You're sitting down with those. I'll eat those. I don't know if I like these. I kind of do. Just because I like fake barbecue flavor. No, we're like, no. I'm torn on the barbecue. On one hand, I do like it. On the other hand, I'm like, I don't know. You know what? It reminds me of the barbecue stuff that I had in the Australian package from Steph, which I liked. So, if I just think that it's not a goldfish and that it's just like a barbecue cracker, I can get down with it. I don't know which one. Oh, now I do because I just looked at the bottom. I didn't know which one was which. I don't know. This one. Sour cream and onion. I didn't move them at all. Why I'm having him try them is because we both eat a ton of goldfish together. You always steal my baby goldfish. Oh no, you have to come over here and try this fucking sour cream and onion. This is gonna be rancid. It's not rancid, it's weird. Again, it's the same thing of like the flavor is good, but it's the fact that it's a goldfish that I'm like, what do you think of that one? Pretty good? Yeah. Yeah, I'll fuck with these. Sour cream and onion. Salmon! If you guys know who Ethan and Mo from Cock TV. Salmon! Kind of a weird oniony aftertaste. I mean, it's sour cream and onion. What do I expect? Jeez. I don't want anyone saying I'm drunk or I'm stoned or... This is me just being a nutcase. This is just the mood I'm in right now. To be a goofy nutcase. It doesn't take substances to inebriate me to get me like this. I'm just crazy on my own. Okay, my grandpa said these are his favorite. Oh my god, now I know why they smell so good. Oh my god. There were these crackers when I was a kid. Baby, you gotta come try these pizza ones. They are so good. There were these crackers when I was a kid that was like Italian seasoned. And they were like little bagel biscuits. They're not bagels, but like, I don't know. I can't remember. It's terrible. I think they were not biscuits. They were a piece of like a baguette bread that had been thin sliced and like dried, so they were kind of crunchy. And this kind of tastes like that. Come try the pizza. You gotta shake it. That's what gets in the tongue. Oh, 51 pizza. I was like 6 pieces per serving. What do you think of that? It's too much? I think it's so good. Flavor blasted explosive pizza. I'm down with pizza. I can fuck with you. I've said that 3 times now. Yeah. He took the cheddar ones. He took the Parmesan one. I should rank them. Winner is fucking the original, because that's just like, how can you not let the original win? Second place is the pizza. Third place is probably, I don't know, maybe barbecue, either barbecue or explosive cheddar. That's how I would name my top 3 goldfishies. Alright, you little fishies. I'm gonna skedaddle. It's Friday night and I'm gonna live Periscope for my other channel, Positive Smash 420, from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. So I'm gonna go edit this video and then go do that. If you guys enjoyed this video, what did I just say? Did I just say that? Whatever. I'm gonna go edit this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, that's what messed me up, saying that twice. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like to see more. I make a video Monday through Saturday. And I'll see you guys